Final Round AI tutorial, how to use Final Round. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your next job in 30 days or less with Final Round. Final Round is an amazing AI tool which allows you to create opportunities and you are able to network. Not only that, this is an AI powered platform. So you can see there are several different things that can help you in finding your dream job and landing it, including a interview co-pilot, mock interviews, preparation hubs, AI resume builders, AI material generators, AI career coaches, speaking with recruiters, salary calculators, and so much more. So let's get started. Now I'm going to click on get started for free and I'm going to get started with my Google account for a quick and easy sign up. Now once you sign up for your account over here, you're just going to proceed with their onboarding, which is really important. Now over here you have two options, 6 months or 3 months, and then if you scroll down you even have a 1 month option. However, below that you can continue with basic. So this is your basic access. This does not unlock all of its tools, but it's still a great tool to use. Now once you've done that, you can see on the bottom left you can always go into your plan and usage and you can proceed with upgrading your plan. However, we're going to get started with our general tools. Now on the left, the first thing you're going to see is your interview co-pilot. This is going to be your on-the-fly personalized interview support. It transcribes each question, analyzes the job descriptions, company details, and provides you guidance tailored to that specific background. You can click on general interview, upload your resume, select your role, and then select the knowledge domain. Then you have the interview type, and then after that you can choose your AI selection. Then click on launch and it will automatically be able to get started with your meeting. You can set the time and date for your meeting or you can start it immediately. Below that you even have mock interviews. So you can set up your job descriptions and then proceed. You can choose your job readiness assessment, mock interviews, as well as practicing questions. So you can practice general questions that you would be asked in a certain domain. Below that you also have a preparation hub. So you can share your career goals or upcoming interview details, and this will create a targeted questionnaire for you and answers just for you. This is going to ensure that you can walk in with every single interview with confidence, clarity, and a competitive edge. Below that you also have your AI resume builder. You can click on create, and then once you click on create you can view their own AI resume builder. Starting off, you can enter your name and location, so Lily Davis, and then we're going to enter our location. Then you can enter your phone, and then you can enter your email like so, and then you can enter your website, objective, and I want to go with AI generating, so I want to objective is to create fulfilling or help finding the best person for the best job and creating valuable content. And then I can click on AI generate, and then this will take my keywords and then it will be creating different versions of this. So we have result oriented acquisition, content creation to enhance organizational, and then after that I'm going to just proceed. I'm just going to add this over here, but I'm going to shorten this out like so. Below that, we also have our work experience, so we can get started with adding our work experience over here. Let's say we are working as a voiceover artist and we're working freelance, and then we can add the date, so let's say it's 2020 till present, and then after that we're going to proceed and add a description. Now you might say, hey, what exactly am I supposed to add in a description? Well, within your description you can add what you're accomplishing within that job, and if you're not sure, just add whatever you've been doing in that job, and then you can go into AI generate and it will generate some descriptions for you based upon your keywords, based upon your position. So I'm going to add this over here, and after that we're just going to customize this. And then after that, we're going to proceed with our education. You can add whatever you want, bachelor's in XYZ, whatever your degree and major is. And then below that, you have your additional information, and then you can start adding your project as well as skills. And then you can add your featured skills, and then you can choose the colors you want to be using. Just like so, you can get started with creating your own resume using their Final Round free resume builder, which is actually a really amazing tool when you think think about how long it can actually take you to build your resume. Not only that, but you can click on your LinkedIn profile and input your LinkedIn profile, and it can extract all the information from there. Now, below that, you have your AI material generator, which allows you to create a material set and all the things you need to know based upon the job that you're hunting for. So it's going to just take your resume and tailor it for each individual job and build you separate cover letters for each job. Below that, you also have a AI job hunter. So this is a 24/7 automated job assistant that finds and applies jobs instantly when they're posted. It customizes the resume for each role, and you're able to apply for more jobs in a shorter amount of time, and you're able to find the best jobs for your particular position. You guys can see you have to fill in some information, including your resume, your role, your years of experience, and location. Whether you want to go with remote work or if you are legally authorized to work, then your self-identification. And you also have your AI career coach, which can help you in understanding your professional goals. This can help you in finding the best job possible and help you in developing the most appropriate strategy and career advice and tips. You also can speak with recruiters. So you can find different recruiters, and you will see you have recruiters from Fortune 500 companies, so you can ask as much as you want. You also have your AI salary calculator. Depending on your current company, role, and location, years of experience, base salary, and you can get a salary analysis chart, which can help you in calculating based upon the true market value of your job. So whether or not you could possibly be, seeing layoffs or a general pay cut or just a stagnation in your pay. Below that, you also have interview question banks. So this allows you to find all the answers that you would need. These are a lot of the typical interview questions that you're frequently going to be asked, and you always think, hey, I could have thought of a better answer. So it's really helpful to have all of these amazing interview questions that are laid out for you, and you can practice with these questions. You can find the best answers possible. And then you even have their playground. So this is a interview prep tool which allows you to just chat, and you're able to experiment with different AI models. And just like that, you can get started with Final Round AI. With its amazing professional tools, you can easily impress any of your interviewers, and you're easily able to land the job. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.